So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you why Pi Network is going to hit some insane numbers. Let's go guys. So now I'm going to be reading some of the comments. So for those of you that have been interacting under my videos, I just want to let you know that I see your comments and I'm going to do some of you the honors right now. I won't be able to read all the comments obviously. So I'm going to just do you the honors of reading out some of the comments that has to do with Binance listing right now, and then we're going to talk about it briefly. Now, as Shegzi Vizu says, Binance is seriously teasing Pi coins. Shegzi, tell me about it. Like for real, Binance is really teasing Pi Network right now because I really don't understand the reason why they're going back and forth. You've done the poll and then you've seen that the votes are in. Majority want Pi Network to be listed on your exchange, so you should list Pi coins on your exchange. There's no reason for you to be dropping indirect messages like the one I talked about in my last video here. There's no need for them to be dropping those kind of messages. Alagoso Christian, I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing your name correctly, says, I like your analysis. Thank you, bro. I really appreciate. Kabiru Carlos says, thanks for the advice. I've been looking for when to take profit, though I'm a novice. Well, Kabiru, what I would advise you to do is that you should wait for when Binance will be listing Pi, right? I think it could be on the 14th, which is Pi Day, on the 14th. That's what I think personally. So you should wait. The moment the Binance lists Pi, there's going to be an upward movement. There's going to be a pump. You can sell. Then when it hits about $3, you should take profits. That's what I think you should do. Agbola Olawale says, when do you think Binance will list Pi? Well, what I think is that Binance is probably waiting for Pi Day, which is on the 14th of March, to be able to list Pi coins, right? That's what I think personally, and I think that's what is going to happen. They're going to wait for that period to list Pi. Now, Nicole Debbie says, okay, take profit. Yeah, you should take profit. It is only wise in the crypto space to take profit because no one knows, nothing is guaranteed in crypto. So as long as the money is still in your wallet, it is not your money. The time it becomes your money is when you take profit. When you withdraw, that is when it is really your money. Or when it is in stable coins like your USDT, your USDC and other stable coins, that is exactly when it is your money, not when it is still in the markets. It is not your money. So that's why it is advisable to take profit when you should. At Azan Musa says, bro, when Binance listing Pi? Obviously, this person is not from Nigeria. So, Asan, if you are seeing this, I think Binance will be listing Pi on the 14th of this month. Now, MEXC Chioma is asking, please, is it best to lock up Pi coins or withdraw it? Well, blessing, what thing I'll say is I'm not a financial advisor. I have no license to tell you what to do with your Pi coins. But in my own opinion, what I intend to do is I'm going to wait for that huge pump that would likely come when Binance lists Pi coins and sell some of my Pi coins. I'm going to sell some of my Pi coins and then keep the rest for long term. That is what I'm going to do. But then if you feel you should do that too, no problem. But if you want to lock up your Pi coin, all well and good, right? So now when you come to CoinMarketCap and you check through the crypto market right now, you're going to see that the market is still consolidating. The market is still going sideways for a while now. See, in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is down 0.12%. Ethereum is up 3.43%. And then XRP is down 2.64%. Solana is also down 3.33%. And then Pi Network is still holding that strong position, holding the 11th position right now. And then when you open Pi Network, you're going to see that in the last 24 hours, Pi Network has been down. You can see this sudden drop. You can see this sudden drop over here. Pi Network has been down 5.70% in the last 24 hours, and the price is currently $1.68. Still correction. This is still a correction phase, right? Do not panic to sell. Like I said, make sure that you hold on to your Pi Network. The time that you can be able to sell will be immediately after Binance lists Pi Network. In this video, we're going to talk about the Binance listing. I'm going to give you a couple of reasons why I think Binance has no other choice than to list Pi Network coins, right? Now, let's look at the fundamentals of Pi Network right now. You see that the market cap is currently 12.13 billion. The volume is drastically low, sitting at $316.6 million. The FDV is $168.92 billion. The circulating supply has increased slightly, now 7.18 billion Pi coins right now out there in circulation. Now, the question that we should be asking right now is that, will Binance really list Pi coins? Now, there's this article that I saw on Binance Square. Binance new updates spark hope for Binance Pi network listing. Is Binance Pi listing finally happening? Binance has launched a new vote to list and vote to delist system, letting users decide which cryptocurrency should be added or removed from the exchange. With this change, many are wondering why Binance Pi network listing hasn't been confirmed yet, even though most people voted in favor of it. We are all wondering why it has not been listed yet, right? The voting of Pi network listing on Binance ended on February 27th, and the results were clear. 87.1% of voters wanted Pi to be listed, while only 12.9% voted against it. Even with this strong support, Binance has not made any official statements, right? They've just been teasing us, been giving us signs. If you check this video over here, I explained the last hint that was given by the Binance team, right? Now, this has left the Pi network community frustrated and asking, what is causing the delay? When is Binance listing Pi? With the new voting mechanism in place, the question is, will Binance Pi network listing finally happen, or is it still waiting for something more? Well, to be honest, I really think that they are waiting for something more. But as it stands now, I really don't understand why. You people decided to put up the poll for people to vote, right? And then people voted, and it was clear that majority wanted Pi network to be listed on your exchange. So I see no reason why there's still the delay. Now, going back to the article. Now, is Pi price movement delaying its Binance listing? Before adding any cryptocurrency, Binance looks at several important factors. It checks if the coin is safe, how easily it can be bought or sold, whether it follows legal rules, and if the market conditions are right. While Pi network has a large and dedicated community, Binance may have concerns about its market behavior. What market behavior? So far so good. I think the market behavior of Pi network is normal so far. One key observation is Pi network's unusual price trend. It often surges when the global crypto market declines and drops when the market is strong. Currently, the global market cap is 2.84 trillion, down by 1.14%. While Pi network price has risen by 1.28% to $1.81. This opposite movement of crypto down, Pi up raises concern. Does Binance see this as a potential risk? I do not think so. Obviously, the person who wrote this article is just airing his or her opinion, right? That is not the case, because as it stands right now, even currently as we speak, the price of Pi is down as well as other cryptocurrencies. So I do not entirely agree with the theory, right? Now, what happens if Binance lists Pi? If Binance decides to list Pi network, many experts think the price could jump, including me. I think the price would surge, right? Some predict it might reach anywhere between $3 to $10, and depending on how much people are trading it, how easily it can be bought and sold, and overall market mood. So guys, one thing I should tell you is that Binance will definitely list Pi. They've been dropping hints, saying different things about Pi for the past days now. They know that Pi has the potential of bringing in money for them, so they will definitely list Pi network coins. So guys, if you like this video you just watched right now, kindly hit that like button for me, and also subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification to get more amazing content like the one you just saw. So guys, that will be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.